Hello everyone, my name is Rizwana and I'm going to explain about my weather telegram chatbot. I made a I made this weather telegram chatbot using this API which I get from NPM JS website. So here we have to install this package in VS Code. Then as I am working on weather telegram chatbot, I need some uh, APIs to get data. So here I'm using require axios command because it is used to make API requests uh, from the website open weather map to get weather data. And here const token I obtained from Telegram, like bought for that. And so here after logging into our Telegram, we have to go to bot further and we have to start and then new bot. So it asks us to give name for our bot and I gave it as weatherbot. So I tried so many usernames and finally weather Wikipedia bot worked out for me. So here it gives us token and this token I used in VS Code here. Uh, next here I am using polling. So polling is used to check for new messages from users. We can also use webhook also, but I use it polling. And here I need weather API key because it gives access to this website, Open Weather Map. And here in this website, I created account with my email. And if I go to my API keys, it gives me a key. So this key gives me access to this website to get weather data. So to store this key, I created a const variable weather API key and the URL of the website weather API URL. And here I used async and await functions because async function is used to perform non-blocking operations like making HTTP request as I am using Open Weather Map website without freezing the program execution. The await keyword here, uh, the await keyword inside this function waits for the Axios request to complete before proceeding. And here I am using try and catch blocks to handle the exceptions. So here params means parameters and it takes city, weather API key and units metric. Here I am displaying temperature in Celsius, so I am using metric. If we want to display temperature in Fahrenheit, so we can use imperial. So here in this website, if we want to get weather data, like I am searching for Mumbai, so it gives the description about the weather. So in Mumbai it is smoky and temperature in Celsius and wind speed and also humidity in that city. So I have taken four variables to display all these and so I created const description variable, const temperature variable, and const humidity, and const wind speed. So this get weather function takes city as parameter, and here this city we are obtaining it from the text message that user have sent to us. So if this text refers to the message that user have sent, so message dot text, and I am converting it to lowercase so that it doesn't matter to the Telegram chatbot even if the user gives it in the uppercase. And I am checking whether if the message the user have given starts with weather or not, and I am removing the weather. So I am clearly giving the instructions here. So welcome user, give me a city name after the word weather with space to get the weather in that city. I have also given example so that user can know how to give the input message. So here in this weather Rajamahendravaram, this function removes weather and space, and it and the Rajamahendravaram remains in this variable, so city variable. So I'm using here slicing concept to remove the weather and storing the city name in this city variable and giving it as parameter to get weather function. So get weather function will take city as a input and uh, takes input from the website by using API keys, and also it returns this description like whether in the city that we have obtained from the user input, and description from the website, and temperature from the website, and humidity also from the website, and wind speed also from the website using APIs. And if and this catch block will handle the errors like user if user have given incorrect input format, or if there's any some network issues, so this catch block will handle the errors. So it returns the string could not retrieve weather information, please make sure the city name is correct, and enter the message in the given format only, and if it is not working, please kindly see the example given. So I'm here clearly mentioning how to give the input to the Telegram chatbot, and that's it. So I'm giving a demo like this is the weather bot, and I have tried so many. So here I started and it's showing welcome user, give me a city name after the word weather with space to get the weather in that city. Example, weather Rajamahendravaram. And here I gave weather Mumbai, weather Bhimavaram, weather Kolkata, weather Tokyo, Shanghai, Beijing, Osaka, Mumbai, Seoul, Bhimavaram, etc. So if I give weather Bhimavaram, so it displays the information that it has get from this website. So why is it here? So this information we are getting here in this pod, and the main problem here is if I close. Let me save this. And if I close this VS Code editor, and if I give the input, it is not giving the output. So if I close VS Code, the output is not coming. So to solve this issue, we have to install some process manager. So here we have to, so I'm using git bash because PowerShell is showing me some error. So I have using bash. So here I have to, so if I run node weather.js, showing me the input which I given here, it is also showing in VS Code. So, but if I close VS Code, does not giving the output. So to resolve this issue, we have to type some commands. So I am installing here process manager to solve this issue. So I am installing npm install -g process manager. So here the process manager will install. So here I installed 137 packages in 26 seconds, and then to start the Node.js. So here my file is, and I have to save this file. Saving. So if I list the files running, so this is the weather.js is running, and here now, even if I close, let me save and close. So even if I here close here, cool. So even if I close VS Code here, it is giving the output. So here I have installed Process Manager to solve this issue. So that's it, guys. So this is my code. The function async and await function I used, and where the API keys and URLs, and this if block to get the city and give it as parameter to get with the function. So this function returns this description, and we are printing console.log response.data. That's it, guys. Thank you.